On November 5th, 2015, the world lost one of the greatest artists of all time. George Barris was known as the godfather of car customization. He designed some of the most iconic cars in history, such as the original Batmobile, the Munster Coach, and the Black Beauty from the Green Hornet. To pay my respects and show my admiration to the late George Barris and his family, this is a special tribute car that I have designed in his memory, the Barris Ultimate Hot Rod.